Welcome to Dictator. We've been manufacturing and supplying innovative products for opening, holding, closing and damping doors and gates since 1932. In addition to our standard products, there's also a growing demand for more specialized solutions. By using their extensive knowledge and experience and by working closely with customers, our enthusiastic team of employees can provide solutions for even the most challenging of problems. The unwelcome noise and disruption of a slamming door can easily be prevented with a Dictator door check. When used in conjunction with an adjunct concealed door closer, useful energy savings is provided also. But if you need the door to remain open for a while, this can be achieved with our foot-operated door holder. Simple. Especially designed for gates, the direct gate closer features an adjustable closing speed and is simple to install. Dictator production is part of the Dictator Group, which has its headquarters in southern Germany. With many European production sites, Dictator offers a wide range of products, from door drives, gas springs, electromagnets and smoke detectors to complete home lifts. Using extensive automation, our products are manufactured in our own factory in the Netherlands. This enables us to maintain our own rigorous quality standards. Investment in modern machinery and the latest manufacturing techniques ensure efficient and flexible production. With our own offices and a global network of agents, our products can be found all around the world. Wherever you are, you're never far away from a Dictator product. Many of our products are used on large projects. Our products can be specified with confidence thanks to their reliability and excellent quality. With Dictator, quality comes as standard. Our durability tests are rigorous, with some products being cycled up to 1 million times. Our in-house development department enables us to remain flexible and innovative in a constantly evolving market. Are you looking for a solution to a door closing problem? Or do you have a situation no solution is available for? If so, please visit our website dictator.com or contact us. Together we can find an answer. Dictator, unique in door closing technique.